They say a love like this comes once in a lifetime. For the first time I believe it to be true. All of my friends say, when you know, you know. Every piece falls into place when I'm with you. In you I found a love that sets me free. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. When you hold me, I know that I have everything. It's blue skies and big dreams, a billion places to explore. And I will be with you forever. I am yours. Forever I am yours. They say the time is now to go where we want to. Follow the road until it leads us somewhere new. Nothing can stop us now. We're together. Oh.
These are the hands of your partner, young and strong and full of love. Holding your hands is your promise to love one another, today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that will work alongside yours as together you build your future. These are the hands that will hold you and comfort you in grief and uncertainty. These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and joy. These are the hands that will hold your family as one. These are the hands that will give you strength. And these are the hands that will still be reaching for yours, even when aged and wrinkled, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch. Today we are gathered here to witness Miljan and Carolina becoming one in holy matrimony, celebrating as your lives come together. Your decision to become one in marriage has not been entered into lightly, and today you publicly declare your private devotion to each other. Loving someone is a leap of faith. You are giving them your heart and trusting them not to break it. No matter what happens, never regret making that leap for one another. You are brought together to be a part of each other's lives. You both complement one another and want to be by each other's side as you support one another as you grow in your marriage. Continue to be by each other's side. Enhance what you already have. Care for one another. And no matter what happens, laugh often and love even more. Given me as a minister of the gospel and by the laws of the state of Texas, I do hereby affirm that you are husband and wife. Have your first kiss. Now my pleasure to introduce you to the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Miljan Kekovich.